Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. When should you start estate planning? There's an expression, the best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. And the second best time to plant a tree is today. Ha! That's wisdom, right? Same way with estate planning. You plan when you can. Intuitive, right? You really should plan while you're healthy and able. That could be as a young person. It could be as an older person. So plan while you're physically healthy, mentally sharp. That's the time to plan. Otherwise, it may be too late. And people need different types of plans at different stages of life. So a young person, single with some assets, needs a plan if they're not married or they don't have joint assets. So a young person needs a plan. A young person with a young child needs a plan so that they can take care of their child through a guardianship or a testamentary trust or a number of other devices. A middle-aged couple or person with children under the age of 18 need a plan. There's a theme here, right? Middle-aged people with older children may need a plan before potentially reaching some level of incapacity. Older people need a plan to protect against long-term care costs or Medicaid planning, right? So everyone needs a plan. And when should you start? Well, I've said it a few times. You should start at whatever stage of life you're in, when you can. When you're physically able, healthy, of sound mind and sound body. You will need a will or estate plan if you're a blended family. His kids, her kids, our kids. What's a blended family? Well, where a person will have children from a prior relationship and then children with a new relationship, or both persons will have children from prior relationships, and when they get married, how do they divide ultimately the assets that they may have? So one person may own a home going into the marriage or the relationship, and they want to take care of their significant other, and they also want to leave that legacy, that house, to their biological children. So you will need an estate plan or a will to take care of those few competing interests. That's why you would need a will. That's the tip of the day. If you would like to speak with me, if you think it's necessary to speak to me about your situation, please reach out. FrankBrunoLaw.com. FrankBrunoLaw.com. That's the website. You can schedule an appointment. You could read blog posts and information and frequently asked questions, and all in the area of elder law, estate planning, and related topics. Have a great night. Plan tonight. Tonight's the night to plan. If not tomorrow, give me a call tomorrow. Plan tomorrow. There's a problem. If you plan to plan tomorrow, it may never